Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the XIXtract Jailbreak tool on an iPhone running iOS 26. With XIXtract, you can install jailbreak tweaks, custom wallpapers, awesome themes, and more. But first, let me show you a few of the themes available once you're jailbroken. Alright then, let's dive into the steps. Open the Safari browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type iOS 26 jailbreak pengu8.com. Tap the first link that appears in the Google results. Once you're on the site, swipe down until you find the XIXtract download button. Tap the download button. You'll be redirected to the XIXtract app download screen. Just follow the on-screen steps to continue the download process. Now, to fully enable the jailbreak features through XIXtract, you'll need to install and activate the Apple Web Configuration app. Once you've got the configuration app installed, you'll need two things to activate it: your device's UDID, an API token. You can get your UDID by referring to the iOS 26 jailbreak page on pengu8. Just follow the steps on that page, it'll detect and copy your UDID automatically. The next thing you need is the API token. You can get it from Jailbreak. This is the platform that provides the activation token for the Apple Web Config app. You can get it from Jailbreak. This is the platform that provides the activation token for the Apple Web Config app. And that's it. You're now ready to start customizing your iPhone with tweaks, themes, and more. Right from XIXtract. Inside the app, tap the Add Source button, or the Add icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can experience various repos to customize your iPhone to a next level. Just follow the steps. Thanks for watching this iOS 26 jailbreak guide. If you found it helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below with the tweaks you're using, and subscribe for more jailbreak content. Don't miss my playlist on iOS hacks. Happy jailbreaking, and I'll see you next time.